wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west. I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again. Wow, look, we're all in our Christmas clothes. Yeah, it's winter time. It's very, very cold outside. And do you know what? Yeah, it's almost Christmas. And today is Storytime! That's right, guys. I have a really great story for you today. Would you like me to read a story? Yeah? Oh, good. This one's a fun kind of story because it's all in verse. Do you guys know what verse means? No? Well, verse is when a story has a certain amount of syllables or beats, like bump, bump, bump per line. And at the end, this one also rhymes. Yeah, I like the rhyming ones. Great. All right, well, let's get started. Today's story is called A Visit from St. Nicholas. 'Twas the night before Christmas when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there. The children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced through their head. Ah! And Mamma in her kerchief and I in my cap had just settled our brains for a long winter's nap. When out on the lawn there arose such a clatter, I sprang from my bed to see what was the matter. Away to the window I flew like a flash, tore open the shutters and threw up the sash. The moon on the breast of the new fallen snow gave the luster of midday to objects below, when what to my wondering eyes should appear? Whoa, but a miniature sleigh and 8 tiny reindeer with a little old driver so lively and quick, I knew in a moment it must be Saint Nick. More rapid than eagles, his coursers they came, and he whistled and shouted and called them by name. Now Dasher, now Dancer, now Prancer and Vixen, on Comet, on Cupid, on Donner and Blitzen. To the top of the porch, to the top of the wall, now dash away, dash away, dash away all. As dry leaves that before the wild hurricane fly, when they meet up with an obstacle mount to the sky, so up to the housetop the coursers they flew, with the sleigh full of toys, and St. Nicholas too. And then, in a twinkling, I heard on the roof the prancing and pawing of each little hoof. As I drew in my head and was turning around, down the chimney St. Nicholas came with a bound. He was dressed all in fur from his head to his foot, and his clothes were all tarnished with ashes and soot. A bundle of toys he had flung on his back, and he looked like a peddler just opening his pack. His eyes, how they twinkled, his dimples, how merry. His cheeks were like roses, his nose like a cherry. His droll little mouth was drawn up like a bow, and the beard on his chin was as white as the snow. The stump of a pipe he held tight in his teeth, as the smoke it encircled his head like a wreath. He had a broad face and a round little belly that shook when he laughed, ho, 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 like a bowl full of jelly. He was chubby and plump, a right jolly old elf. And I laughed when I saw him in spite of myself. And a wink of his eye and a twist of his head soon gave me to know I had nothing to dread. He spoke not a word, but went straight to his work and filled all the stockings, then turned with a jerk. And laying his fingers aside of his nose, and giving a nod, up the chimney he rose. He sprang to his sleigh, to his team gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of a thistle. But I heard him exclaim, ere he drove out of sight, "Happy Christmas to all, and to all a good night." Wow, that's a really, really great story. Yeah? Aw, I like it. I like how he has a little round belly, and that when he laughs, it's like a bowl full of jelly. I really like that line. Yeah. Yeah, have you guys heard this one before? Yeah. Do you know who Saint Nick is? I bet you guessed. Yeah. Saint Nick is another name for Santa Claus. Yeah. I really like all the reindeer too. There's Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen. I think my favorite is probably Prancer. Oh no. My favorite is Dancer. I was actually going to say Prancer because I thought Prancer's kind of like a dancer, but Dancer's exactly like a dancer. Yeah, I think Dancer's my favorite. Oh, do you guys hear anything? Do you guys think maybe there's like, could that be reindeer feet on the roof? I don't know. Oh, I should run to the window and throw up the sash. Yeah. Oh, I could run there like a flash and see what's the matter. I could figure out, guys, I would love to see a reindeer. They're always up in the cold, cold, cold north, and Santa Claus has taught them how to fly. Isn't that amazing? I don't know how to fly, but I wish I did. Maybe if there's reindeer on the roof, they would put me on their back and they would let me fly away with them, and we would go on a grand adventure, and I'd get to travel around the entire world. Oh, it'd be nice, but it would also be cold. Yeah, I think up in the air it'd be very cold. That's where the snow comes from. Yeah. Well, did you guys have a good night? I hope so. I really liked reading this story to you. I hope you enjoyed it too. I think it's a great one to read right before bed. So, I think I'm gonna go to sleep now. So, thank you all for coming. Thank you for watching Dream Again, and good night. Good night. And don't forget, dream again. Good night. Bye. 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 Oh, I'm tired.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!